Thank you all for those who are participating in the giveaway. I got quite a few in here already. Now, if you would like to get more entries, all you have to do is go into the merch store, buy anything in there, okay? They'll give you 10 entries. I'm just about to fold up 10 entries here from one that just bought some merch and place them into the Crystal Skull Bowl. And as you can see, your chances of winning is increased by 10 folds. Okay, 100,000 folds. So go in there, place a merch order, email me, let me know that you've been in there. I will definitely go ahead with these entries and get ready for sending out free sticker pack. If you don't win, if you do win, don't worry, so you're going to be getting lots and lots of extras.
Y'all ready for this?